In September 2022, U.S. Army sent High Mobility Artillery Rocket Systems, or HIMARS, to Sweden and Latvia in support of their respective exercises, Nordic Strike and Silver Arrow. U.S. Air Force MC-130Js transported the HIMARS. The guided multiple launch rocket system of the HIMARS can fire 6 rockets at a 57-mile maximum effective range. The two countries led and directed the integrated U.S. soldier crews to perform a HIMARS rapid infiltration exercise, also known as HIRAIN, on the same day in both countries. This demonstrates U.S. Army Europe and Africa's ability to deter potential adversaries and maintain Arctic dominance through joint and combined operations with allies and partners. U.S. Army Europe and Africa supports exercises like these with rapid, long-range precision fires using a variety of networked, multi-domain communications platforms.
As you just said, we're going to be conducting air embarkation procedures, otherwise known as HIRAIN. It allows our launcher system to deploy to any remote location and provide quick and accurate fire and get out. HIMARS is High Mobility Artillery Rocket System. It's a C-130 transportable field artillery asset. It provides surface-to-surface fires utilizing ballistic or guided rockets or missiles. Sequence of events for today: wait for the bird to show up. Once it shows up, we'll begin prepping the launcher for air embarkation procedures. And once that's conducted, we can safely back onto the bird and get to where we need to go.
The importance of the HIRAIN itself is for the Marines to, number one, know exactly what to do in case we get called upon to do HIRAINs. And then the HIRAIN, the mission of it, is to be able to expeditiously and rapidly engage enemy pre-planned targets, giving ourselves long-range capabilities. The big thing I hope the Marines get is, number one, a sense of the timeline as we actually execute the HIRAIN, whether it be onloading, offloading, actually flying in air, receiving missions via air, or receiving missions on the ground. Just trying to get a baseline and understanding that as we do more of them, they have muscle memory to execute the mission as it comes through. Everyone knows their part, and the launcher can roll off, execute the mission, and we get right back on and fly back home.
So we're doing joint operations with the Army for an amphibious operation, and what we're doing is we're trying to make sure that the HIMARS artillery rocket system, that it fits on the naval vessels. We have a whole lot more islands than what we do runways.
This vessel is capable of taking multiple vehicles, cargo, connexes to anywhere in the PACOM area. So the purpose of this exercise is to do joint capabilities and exercises to show that we are able to approach an improvised beach and load and unload cargo around the world.
It helps with our flexibility as a Department of Defense together. It helps us with the ability to make sure that we as a team can come together instead of worrying about our own individual aspects of the warfighting construct. That's vitally important considering we're near some near-peer adversaries, and we need to be able to flex our joint capabilities.